So if you don't know me, I'm Kedra Flowers, CPA. I did those videos before and then I stopped. And every morning when I get up and I look at my email, I always think I need to do a blog. I need to get back to doing videos. I need to let people know what's going on because there's always so many things changing every day. And so I decided that I would just go live in the morning or at whatever point I do my initial review of my emails before I really start my day. So I'm gonna start putting these out here. I'm actually gonna move them into a mentorship group, which you guys are all welcome to join. And you'll see it on the name of the group is the CPA Business Mentor. And you can join that group. You guys will be looking for an invitation to that. The other thing about that group is if you join that group and you do a video on there. So you actually do, it doesn't have to be live. You can do it on your phone and upload it, but ask a question on video, then I will respond to you on video. Okay. So if you're interested in a little bit more of a detailed, question, because that allows me to understand what you're asking and that kind of stuff. So I do want to be available for people. It's a free site. You don't, pay anything for it. You just join the group. So be watching for the invitation for that. So today, what's going on in the email? This is going to be short and sweet. As a matter of fact, let me set my timer for 5 minutes because that's all I'm going to give to this each day because I want to respect your time and my time, and I've got to get to work. While I'm setting the timer, you guys, if you don't know, my aunt, my favorite aunt in the world, the aunt I was raised with and all of that, we lost her to cancer. But she has donated her body to really contribute to lupus research. So I want to just honor her in kind of starting off with that. I don't know how to get to my alarm on my phone. That's sad. Okay, hold on. So I'm already using up 5 minutes of that. Okay, that was a minute. So we only got 4 minutes. So anyway, today, what's going on in the email? As you know, the PPP loan is out again, and that loan that initially was set to end March 31st. They have decided that they are going to extend that for, hold on a second, let me see when that's extended to. I'm sorry, y'all, I should have had this already pulled up. And I did, and then when I started doing my stream, I closed what I needed open. So let me get it back open because this is just reviewing my little news briefings, and I don't want it to be the wrong thing. Okay, so it's extended for 2 months till May 31st. Okay, so that's what's going on with the PPP. I think I sent a little letter out to my email list, but if you're not on there, you can inbox me your email to be added to my email list, by the way. That's one way. And then when you join the group, when you get the group invite, definitely enter your email there. There will be free downloads that'll be out there for you guys to access if you're a business owner, about business structure, things like that. So a lot of information that will be useful, and it will be all out there available to you for free. So, so with the PPP, as you know, if you are or you may not know, if you're self-employed, it has been changed. The process of applying has been changed. Instead of using your net income, which we know for self-employed individuals, they tend to fight to get that as low as possible because that's what they're going to be paying taxes on. And that's normal, by the way. That's not cheating. It's normal. That's what they do. But now for the PPP or for PPP purposes, the top line, the gross receipts line, which is the total, monies that you got that was, were deposited or received for your business, is what you're going to be able to use as gross receipts for purposes of PPP consideration. And for most self-employed individuals, that's gonna, that's gonna make a significant difference in the loan that you get. One thing to know is there are very specific things that you can use those loans for. Of course, paying yourself, paying related benefits, paying rent, paying utilities, all of those for the business are all deductible expenses. Everything you need to know about that is on Google. PPP forgivable expenses. There you go on Google. It's going to give you a list of those because that will make that free money. If you don't do that, it's not free money. So that is what makes it free money, is using that money on specific things that are allowed makes that free money. Additionally, the EIDL is still out there and has now been extended as well. And the EIDL is a loan. There is a $10,000 grant associated with that. And whether or not you take the loan, you still will be eligible for the grant money. But if you take the loan, it is a 30-year loan at about 3% or 3 and some change. And so if you need that loan or that infusion of cash to keep your business going through this time, then, that's another option for you. And both of those are through the SBA. And then, of course, you go through your bank, or there are many online lenders. Make sure you verify that they're good. So that's kind of the big thing that I wanted to mention. Of course, the tax deadline for people in Texas was moved back to June 15th. But for everybody else now, it's been moved from April to May 17th. So you do have an additional month. I don't know who that's going to make a difference for, but anyway, it's an additional month either way. Estimated payments are still going to be due April 15th. So just know that. Let's see if there's anything else that is a big thing. Of course, the stimulus. Everybody knows that stimulus money is coming at $1,400 a pop for yourself, your spouse, and each dependent. If you have filed for 2019 and qualified, then you don't, there's nothing else really you need to do. If you filed in 2019 and did not qualify because you're over the income level to where it's completely phased out, so you're over 75,000 individuals and 150,000 for married filing jointly. If you're over those points, then in 2019, but in 2020, you were off for a period of time and your income was lower, then you will want to go ahead and get your 2020 filed so that your stimulus can be based on your 2020. So it's based on whichever one is filed most recently at the time they consider it. So that's important to know. Okay, I think those are the highlights for today. I hope everybody has a great, great, great day, and I will chat with you tomorrow over coffee. Have a good day.